You got your demons, spent seasons on the dark side of the moon. Don't try denying, 'cause you know that I've been there too. Right now I know how it feels, like the world's gonna end. But I'll get you through, if it's the last thing I do. I'm gonna love the head out of you, take all the pain that you're going through. I'll bring you heaven, if that's what you need, 'cause you've always loved the hell out of me. You brought resounding techniques for my grounding when I had lost it a little too far from the middle to find solace from all this exhaustion and monsters of mine. So you better know that I'll bring you home. I'm gonna love the hell out of you, take all the pain that you're going through. I'll bring you heaven, if that's what you need, 'cause you've always loved the hell out of me. In the moment you feel half complete, know the moments are temporary, when the fear fuels the fire underneath. I'm gonna love the hell out of you, take all the pain that you're going through, and I'll bring you heaven, if that's what you need.